Hello students, in this video we are going to learn an important long answer question that is from trigonometry chapter sum and product transformations topic. Let us see one question. Here is the question. If a plus b plus c equals to pi, then prove that cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 equals to 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, let us write the given condition. To get the required proof, we have given that a plus b plus c equals to pi. Okay. When I saw a by 2, b by 2, c by 2 in the required proof, I wanted to convert the given condition in terms of a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. That is possible. So, by using division concept, okay, let it be equation 1 now. A by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equals to pi by 2. Dividing each and every term by 2 gives you required relation. Let it be equation number 2. So these two equations can be used in further simplification process. And by simplifying LHS expression, we can prove RHS. Now let us consider LHS. So what is LHS here? Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2. So we have direct formula for cos square a by 2. Let's remind one's formulas. Cos square a by 2 formula 1 plus cos a whole divided by 2. That is the formula. Cos square a by 2 formula 1 plus cos a whole divided by 2. So we can replace cos square a by 2 with 1 plus cos a whole divided by 2 plus. Similarly, cos square b by 2 formula become 1 plus cos b whole divided by 2. And we have minus. So after negative sign, and in place of cos square c by 2, we are going to get two terms. That's why keep bracket. Don't forget to keep bracket. And this cos square c by 2 can be replaced with 1 plus cos c whole divided by 2. Now simplification part. 2, 2, 2. So LCM is 2. Because all the denominators are equal, numerators can be added directly. 1 plus cos A is the numerator of first fraction. Plus 1 plus cos B is the numerator of second fraction. And we can apply minus. Minus into plus minus 1. Minus into plus minus cos C. Now minus 1 plus 1 can be cancelled. So now we left with 1 plus cos A plus cos B minus cos C whole divided by 2. So this is your LHS. Okay. Now let us keep LHS aside for a while. I would like to consider only this ratio part for further simplification. Okay. So we can go with the total expression, but you may get confused. So to avoid the confusion, okay, let me consider only ratio part. Ratios involved expression. So that is, so consider cos A plus cos B minus cos C for further simplification. After simplifying this expression, once again take LHS and substitute and simplify, then you will get the required answer. Okay. Now how to proceed this simplification part? Clearly it is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Some of the ratios we have, we should write product of ratios. Cos C plus cos D. So let us remind once cos C plus cos D formula. Cos C plus cos D formula known as 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. That is the formula. So in this formula, replace C with A, D with B. If I do so, 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Minus cos C as it is. 2 cos of, okay, we can split a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos c as it is. 2 cos of, now think about replacement, a by 2 plus b by 2. From equation 2, a by 2 plus b by 2 can be replaced with pi by 2 minus c by 2. If I want to keep a by 2 plus b by 2 alone, plus c by 2 on shifting become minus c by 2. So pi by 2 minus c by 2. Replace a by 2 plus b by 2 with pi by 2 minus c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 as it is, because this cannot be replaced, minus cos c as it is. Now 2 pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees. So this angle is in the form of 90 degrees minus theta. 90 degrees minus theta, 90 degrees minus theta belongs to first quadrant. So in first quadrant all are positive. All means here cos, the involved ratio is cos, so cos is also positive. If positive, need not to mention here. Next, due to 90 degrees minus theta, cos changes as sin. Cos changes as sin. Sin c by 2. Sin, we should write the angle here same. So sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Now minus. Now time to write cos c formula. So when we need to write cos c formula, if you get here either sin or cos, you may get here either sin or cos. So depending on situation we will select formula. If I remind formula for cos A, I have two formulas in terms of sin, that is 1 minus 2 sin square A. In terms of cos, 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. So in terms of cos, 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. So now cos C. So when I saw here sin C by 2, I wanted to select a formula in terms of sin, that is 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. So we have two terms, for both the terms this minus should be applicable. So keep bracket, don't forget to keep bracket, and in bracket you write formula, cos C formula 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. So here A must be replaced with C. Now 2 sin C by 2 as it is, cos of A by 2 minus B by 2 also same. Now minus 1, minus into minus, plus 2 sin square C by 2. Now we can separate minus 1, keep minus 1 separately, and from these two terms, okay, let us write these two terms together in one step. Afterwards we will plan for common term. So minus 1 plus. Now you see 2 sin C by 2, 2 sin C by 2. We have common term. Take it as common. After taking 2 sin C by 2 common, we left with cos of A by 2 minus B by 2. Plus one more sin C by 2 will be remained. So minus 1 plus 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A by 2 minus B by 2 plus sin of. Now time to replace C by 2 in terms of AB. So from equation 2, C by 2 can be replaced with this C by 2. If you want to replace C by 2, we have to shift a by 2 plus b by 2 term from LHS to RHS. So it become pi by 2 minus of a by 2 plus b by 2. So c by 2 can be replaced with pi by 2 minus of a by 2 plus b by 2. Now minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus, so once again 90 degrees minus theta belongs to first quadrant. In first quadrant sign is positive. Okay, already we have positive. Next, due to 90 degrees minus theta, sign changes as cos. So you have to concentrate on three things. First decide the quadrant, and next decide the symbol of given ratio, and next think about change in ratio or not. So in case of 90 degrees minus theta, obviously sign is going to be changed as cos, and write the angle part same, a by 2 plus b by 2. Now minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into, if I assume a by 2 as a, b by 2 as b, clearly it is in the form of cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So let me remind, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula. 2 cos a cos b. So here I can write 2 cos a. What is a here? A by 2. 2 cos a by 2 into cos b. B is b by 2. So minus 1 plus. Now 2 2s are 4 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2 into sin c by 2. So this is the simplified form of ratio part. Now time to recollect LHS part. Once again, now LHS is equals to, so we